Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And in today's video we are actually right now in North Goa, and this planned trip has finally happened from my work front. So in today's video I'm going to explore North Goa, not entire North Goa but definitely the places I'm visiting right now. So stay tuned and let's get ahead with the video. Okay guys, so we started our journey at around 6:30 p.m. on 6th May 2023, and as we were moving ahead we decided to just keep the assistance of Google Maps because we do not actually know the directions and we had to start all over again. So we took the assistance from Google Maps, and that's how we kick-started with our journey. And as we were moving ahead, we were just discussing on how excited we are for this trip, because we were planning this trip since a long time, but due to some reasons we just couldn't make it out, and then finally this was happening, so we were super duper excited. And this is a glimpse of the traffic, so you can see how much traffic is there in Goa. Definitely not more than Mumbai, but we also get stuck in traffic sometimes. So after traveling a little bit, we decided to do some paid puja, but we couldn't find anything to eat as such. But after a long time we found out one junction wherein they were serving shawarmas, and they did their marketing quite well, saying that they serve only curry chutney, and we were super excited. So I would rate it 7.5 on 10. And then we started again. So we played games in the car, the alphabet games, which is going viral these days. And then we took a glimpse of the sky. Do let me know if you guys love such views in the comment section below. And after a lot of hustle and bustle, we were about to reach the destination, and finally we did it. So finally we were there. This is the coastal stays in Baga where we had booked our rooms. And after parking our car and doing the check-in formalities, we finally checked in, and this was the glimpse of the room, guys. So it was pretty comfortable for all four of us, and this is the aesthetics and the room. And then this was my look for that night. So we quickly got ready, and then finally we went to this club, which is in Baga and was on a walkable distance, like 3 to 5 minutes from our hotel, and it was super duper good, I would say. This was my first time visit to a club, and I found it okayish. This club was pretty decent, I would say, and quite safe as well, the security checks and all. So do let me know in the comment section below if you've been there. And after that we came back to the room. Okay guys, so basically right now it's in the morning and I couldn't shoot much content last night because I was tired. So right now it's around 8:30 in the morning. So now we are going to have breakfast and then we are going to go shopping. So let's get. So I decided to do some cleansing of my face because I missed doing it last night, and I just slept with my makeup on, so I had to do it in the morning. And this is the foxtail cleanser which I used here, which makes my skin super soft. Later, I and Eva decided to go and have breakfast because Austin and Janisha were like fast asleep, and I and Eva went to this restaurant, which is Sai Punjabi Pure Veg Family Restaurant, and we ordered masala dosa over there, which was quite okayish, and I would rate it 7 again on 10. And the next one was we ordered a chai. Hygienic wise, this hotel is okayish, and then we went to the beach, which is the Baga beach, which was quite closer to the place we were staying. And in comparison to the other beaches I've been to, I would say this was a little crowded. If this is the crowd in the morning, you can imagine what's the crowd in the evenings. And yes guys, so this was all for today, and if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do stay tuned for part 2, as there is one more vlog which is coming, which is a part 3. So yes, bye.